Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning and appliance needs here in the Northern Virginia area. We are serving everybody from Leesburg all the way to Fairfax, up to the DC metropolitan area, Maryland, further south. If you guys are in the DMV area, come by and see us here at Acevacuums for all your appliance needs and repair needs and servicing needs. We do all major brands. It doesn't really matter what the brand is. We pretty much do all brands and work on them all. We do free estimates here at our locations. So if you're in need of a repair, you just want to have your appliance or your vacuum or anything like that serviced, we can certainly help you guys out with all those as well, just to have them clean, service, maintenance, and things like that. But if you're looking for an appliance repair, come see us here. Our estimates are free. Usually we can do same-day repairs. If you're here, sometimes it takes maybe 1 to 2 days depending if we got to order parts. We also do in-home visits, so if you need a system that's not running very well, not picking up, not performing adequately, give us a call. We do home visits, and we can come out and diagnose your unit, whatever the appliance may be, give you a free estimate on it, and I'm sorry, not a free estimate. We can give you an estimate on the appliance, and then do the work and everything done for you there at your home. We are open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Saturday 11 to 5. We do also warranty work on some appliances as well. So if you are one of those people and you bring it to us, what we do is get your basic information, proof of purchase, all that type of stuff. We send it to the manufacturer, we get the parts ordered, we get the work done. It's the same thing if we come to your home and it's a warranty issue. We take care of all the headache. We just need your information, receipt of purchase, all that type of stuff. We send everything to the manufacturer. Once they approve the parts and send them to us, we'll come back out and get everything installed for you guys. Again, we serve all the Northern Virginia area, Maryland, and the DMV, up in the DC as well. So if you're in need of an appliance repair, look no further. Come see us here, right here at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all your appliance needs. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as follow us on your YouTube page. Thanks and have a great day.